Hello friends, in this video we are going to discover the best time to visit Niagara Falls. Kindly make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon before we start this video about the best month to visit Niagara Falls. Also post your favorite season to go to Niagara Falls in the comments below. I'd love to read them and I'm sure others would too. Niagara Falls is a group of 3 waterfalls at the southern end of Niagara Gorge, spanning the border between the province of Ontario in Canada and the state of New York in the United States. Niagara Falls is one of the most popular tourist destinations in North America, and if you're looking forward to visit Niagara Falls in the near future but confused about what is the best time of year to visit Niagara Falls with family or friends, watch this video till the end to clear all your doubts regarding when is the best time to visit Niagara Falls. Thinking of visiting Niagara Falls? It's quite the sight to see. This awe-inspiring destination encompasses 3 waterfalls, the American Falls, Bridal Veil Falls and the Horseshoe Falls, and straddles 2 countries, the United States and Canada. The thunder and spectacle of approximately 750,000 gallons of water rushing over every second thrills and amazes about 8 million visitors from around the world each year. Determining the best time of year to visit depends on your travel goals. Choosing the best time to visit Niagara Falls requires more than looking at the weather. Each season has a different atmosphere, a different look, and different advantages. The best weather in Niagara Falls. Since the falls are situated in the northeast, weather conditions vary widely from season to season and can change quickly. June through August brings the warmest weather, with average daytime highs in the high 70s and low 80s. It's peak season, so you'll spend more money and face more crowds, but, on the upside, all area attractions are in full swing. The crowds drop off in the spring and fall, but so do the temperatures, typically running between 30 and 60 degrees. Winter is for hardy souls, since it's common for the thermometer to dip below freezing. The best time for a close encounter with Niagara Falls. May through October, boat tours below the falls are the thing to do. The Maid of the Mist departs from the American side, while Hornblower Niagara Cruises set sails from the Canadian side. The approximate 20-minute tours bring passengers within feet of the cascading falls. Plastic rain ponchos are provided because there's a good chance you'll get wet. If you visit the Canadian side of the falls, highly recommended as it offers the best panoramic views, it's possible to in effect go backstage and journey behind the falls. First you take an elevator that descends 150 feet through bedrock to tunnels which lead to viewing portals behind the massive sheet of water. Then you can access upper and lower observation decks at the foot of the Horseshoe Falls. This attraction is open year-round, although icy conditions in winter prevent the lower observation deck from remaining open due to safety reasons. On the upside, this closure means winter rates are reduced. Meanwhile, on the American side of the falls, Cave of the Winds offers a similar up-close and personal experience. You're delivered via elevator into the Niagara Gorge, then a series of wooden walkways bring you within feet of the crashing Bridal Veil Falls. In colder months, the tour is somewhat abbreviated. It's possible, however, even in the depths of winter and when weather permits, to at least take the elevator down into the gorge and experience Niagara in all its frostiness. When to visit Niagara Falls for events. Every evening beginning at dusk, Niagara Falls' natural beauty gets enhanced by a special light show. Since 1925, the Niagara Falls Illumination Board, NFIB, has provided nightly illumination with custom colors tied to significant dates on the calendar: green every hour for 15 minutes on St. Patrick's Day, red, white and blue every hour for 15 minutes on the 4th of July, etc. Meanwhile, firework displays light up the skies from late spring through early fall. The annual Winter Festival of Lights brightens up the holiday season. Millions of twinkling lights and animated displays transform Queen Victoria Park, on the Canadian side, and other points in the Niagara Parks system from mid-November through mid-January. The best times to see wildlife in Niagara Falls. The Niagara River Corridor is internationally recognized as an important bird area, EBA. Bald eagles, peregrine falcons, ducks, geese, 19 plus species of gulls and more flock here all year long. The Niagara Falls Observation Tower is even outfitted with bird-friendly glass, which features a special stripe designed to prevent birds from colliding into it. When to visit Niagara Falls to avoid the crowds. Tourism climbs in May, peaks in July and August, and begins to decline in September. The cooler months in early spring and late fall are typically slower, although some attractions are either unavailable or restricted. Those willing to brave bone-chilling temps during the winter months may get to witness the unique beauty of the famous frozen falls. The cheapest time to visit Niagara Falls. Affordable airfare. Flights to Buffalo Niagara International Airport, BUF, which is 24 miles from the falls from New York and Los Angeles, are cheapest in January. If you're coming from Chicago, however, flight prices drop in September and October. Keep in mind that all family members will need to have a passport to cross the border and visit the Canadian side of Niagara Falls. Affordable hotels. July is the most expensive time to visit Niagara Falls no matter which side of the border you stay. The summer time frame, June-August, is overall the most expensive. Prices begin to rise in May, but are more affordable. Comparatively, cooler months, November-January, are typically less expensive, with November being the least expensive for the combined areas. The New York side is typically more affordable than the Ontario side of the falls. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this. Post your favorite season to visit Niagara Falls in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too.